Hello Road Rush Nation, it's Terry, and yep, there's my new bike, freaking love it. Arctic Blast, number 219, there's only 500 of them in the world, and only 400 of them here in the United States. Freaking love this bike. It's got the 114 on it, this custom paint, which I took some video so you can kind of see the hand painting that's been done on this with the honeycomb. Anyway, this episode, we're all talking about the exhaust. And I wanted to let you hear the difference between a stock exhaust and the Vance and Hines Street Cannons. I freaking love the Vance and Hines Street Cannons. I had them on my last street glide. Aaron has them on his CVO. And they just make a great bassy sound, which I like. I had looked at the Reinhardts, and when we were at the bike rally down in Arkansas, at Pig Trail, Reinhardt was there, they had bikes hooked up, and you could hear the difference. To me, the Reinhardt just didn't quite have the sound I was looking for. It had kind of a tinny sound to me, and I just like the Vance and Hines Street Cannons better. These are 4.5-inch exhaust that I put on here, and I want you to hear it. Hopefully it'll help you make a decision on which ones you want to get. These are slip-ons, so cost-wise, they help out a lot. They're still a frickin' expensive, what is it on these things? But well worth it. All right, guys, let's take a listen. So tomorrow, I'm gonna be riding out to Worth and gonna be getting the street cannons put on and getting my heated grips installed. I'm gonna be leaving it there because just to get the heated grips put in is 4.5 hours. So a pretty intense labor. So they said that they could bring me back the bike, they'll trailer it back out if the weather's really bad. But what I wanted to show you too, is I wanted to get the opportunity to hear the difference between the stock, and then when I get the street cannons back, you can hear the difference. So let me set this up, and we will listen to her and go from there. Here we go. Stock exhaust for you guys to all hear. Stock exhaust, and now you guys kind of get an idea what my lights look like on the back. Those are the new Harley lights. All right. Let's see. All right. So I'm riding into Worth Harley Davidson here in Kansas City to drop her off to have the street cannons put on her, which I could do this, but because I was having the heated grips put in, which I'm having the wires run inside of the handlebars, which is a 4-hour labor intensive. And by the way, want to stay married, so Aaron was like, I was not putting him through that. Heck no, just to put those heated grips on. So I could do both at the same time and decided to drop it off. So you can see that today wasn't too bad of a weather day. It was in the upper 60s, but Worth is going to trailer it out in the next couple days once they get it done, because the weather's supposed to be turning really cruddy, and just for the safety, going to have them drop it off. So let's drop her off and get her back home. that she's home and secure, let's get to the important part and hear that new Vance and Hines Street Cannon exhaust. All right, let's get ready to hear this. Neutral. I hope this video gave you an idea of the difference between the stock and the Vance and Hines Street Cannons. Personally, my choice. But whatever you do choose, I hope you enjoy it. Have a great day and catch you on the highways. Thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on the next adventure. Take care, ride safe, and enjoy life. Remember, life's too short. So let's go ride.